Secretariat, pero dahil wala siya ngayon, ang representative niya si Attorney Marlon, sa lupon ng tagapagpayo, sa aming mga kapwa-opisyales, mga members, or kasapi din, sa aming mga kaibigan sa industriya, Boysen, Sir Clark, Uditech, Sir Jerry, and Kawala, Sir Ruel. Sa aking pagtayo ngayon, sa inyong harapan, ako'y napupuno ng iba't ibang emosyon. Ang pagpapasalamat, pagmamalaki, at kakaunting pangungulila. When I first took on this responsibility, I knew it would come with challenges. But I also knew it would come with a great purpose. And today, I look back not just only on the achievements, but on the people who made them possible. To our fellow officers, committee members, thank you for your hard work, your ideas, patience, and partnerships. Cooperation and commitment have been the backbone of everything we have accomplished. To our founder, Council of Advisor, mentors, and supporters, your guidance, encouragement, and wisdom have been the instrumental in shaping not only our chapter's direction, but also my personal growth as a leader. To every members of this organization, thank you for your trust, your energy, and faith. You are the heart of this chapter. And it has been my greatest joy to serve you. We have so much. We achieved so much together. The UAP Meritorious Award, Heritage Conservation. Moreover, we take immense pride in announcing that 3 of our chapter members have been recognized as part of the UAP's 50 Notable Architects as part of the Golden Anniversary Celebration. They are Architect Ardel J. Santos, the Chairperson in Government Service, under the Commission of Professional Practice. Architect Mary Christine Segovia, the Executive Director of CJA, or the Commission on Governmental and External Affairs. Architect Edison C. Padilla, the Outstanding Professional of the Year Award, and a past President of Philippine Association of Building Officials. These were not just a milestone. They were moments that reflected who we are as a united. Leadership is not about holding a title. It's about leaving something better than you found it. Now, as I hand over my leadership to my successor, I do so believe with confidence the future is bright because we are founding it on a strong foundation. To our incoming president, I believe in your leadership. Lead with courage, lead with integrity, and most of all, with heart. Thank you very much once again for the unforgettable journey. This may be the end of my